to today's episode. You're here with Jack and Heidi, and today we're going to be cooking up an appetizer for our upcoming Super Bowl. So we're making cauliflower bites with an orange sriracha glaze. Does that sound good, Jack?
Delicious.
Yummy. All right, so first up, what we need to do is we're going to get our batter made for the cauliflower. So can you pour in, we've got 3/4 cup of flour measured out. So we're just using a regular flour. If you want to make this a gluten-free recipe, I would use garbanzo bean flour. That gives it a really nice texture as well in here. And then, so I've already pre-measured out our spices. We have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of onion powder that we're going to throw in. And then in here, we have a 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt that you're gonna pour in there for us. Great. All right, and then why don't you pour in that 1 cup of water. Okay, and can you whisk this together? And we have already cut up our head of cauliflower, pre-chopped it so that we are ready to go. So we're gonna bake it today. We've got the oven going at 450, but this is also a great recipe if you have an air fryer at home, you could do this in an air fryer as well. So interchangeable. Okay, perfect. Ooh, this is so yummy. Okay, so now, I'll switch, I'm gonna give you this one. I'm gonna pour in our cauliflower a little bit at a time and let you start mixing it up. We wanna get it nice and coated. A lot of recipes will say to dip each one. I find that a little laborious, so I like to just pour it into the bowl and mix it around. Perfect. Just get it all in there, fill up our bowl. I'm gonna help you, so let's try and pull from the bottom. We're doing a vegetable appetizer. Good way to make this lower in calories for us. Instead of doing hot wings, we're getting our veggie in, but making it really tasty. So does that look pretty good?
Yeah.
I think so. Okay. You can either put down some parchment paper, or I like to use these silicone mats because they're reusable. But we've got this down so they're non-stick. We don't need to spray this at all with any oil. Okay, so now let's get the last little bits of batter on everything. Don't want to miss out on any of it. It's so tasty. Okay, so spread it out here. Break it up a little bit. There we go. All right, let's put these in the oven. So we're gonna bake these at 450 for 20 minutes. And while that's baking, we will do step 2, which is making the glaze over at the stove. We're making our glaze right now. We are adding 1 cup of marmalade. You could do a mango one as well. You can kind of play around with it. I've got a 1/4 cup of apple juice, and to give it that spice, we're doing a 1/4 cup of some sriracha here. We're just gonna let this cook down and thicken up just a little bit. All right, now that our sauce and cauliflower are both done, Jack, do you wanna help me by put our cauliflower into our bowl here? Now, get this goodness all over it here. Stir that up for us. Get it all mixed up, perfect. Looks good. Okay, should we try some?
Yeah.
Got a little bit of a messiness here. Wow,
That's
yummy. Well, we hope that you like this recipe and that you'll give it a try. Have a great Super Bowl, everyone. Bye.